gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
After Honor Power 2 introduced that massive 10,000 mAh plus battery, it looks like Honor is pushing this big battery strategy even further, now into foldable phones as well. So here we have the Honor Magic V6 starting with the 512 gigabit mid-range variant. This model packs a 16850 mAh Qinghai Lake battery featuring 25% silicon content and an impressive energy density of 947 watt-hours per hours. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. When you use it folded, relying only on the outer screen, it runs for 5 hours and still holds 59% battery. Taking it all the way down to zero, the total usage time hits 8 hours and 15 minutes. Now, switching to the unfolded state and using the inner screen, it lasts 5 hours with 50% battery remaining and fully drains in 7 hours and 11 minutes. To give you some perspective, last year's top performer, the Honor Magic V5, couldn't even cross the 7-hour mark on the outer screen alone in recent retests. In just about half a year, the Magic V6 has pushed inner screen battery life past 7 hours, while the outer screen now delivers over 8 hours, right up there with flagship slab phones that have huge batteries. And that's only part of the story. There's also the 1 terabyte top-end version of the Magic V6, which steps things up even further. This one uses a 7150 mAh Qinghai Lake Blade battery with 32% silicon content and an energy density of 985 watt-hours per lellers. Folded and using only the outer screen, it gives you 5 hours of use with 61% battery left and a full drain time of 8 hours and 47 minutes. Open it up and you get 5 hours with 52% remaining and a total runtime of 7 hours and 25 minutes. It comfortably holds the top spot in foldable battery rankings, setting a strong benchmark for other big foldables this year. What's even more surprising is that despite packing a bigger battery, the Magic V6 actually gets thinner. The blood white version, when folded, is roughly as thick as the iPhone 17 Pro Max unfolded, and it's only about 4 millimeters thicker than the iPhone Air, getting very close to ultra-thin territory. The camera bump is slimmer too. With a 6.52-inch outer display and a weight of around 220 grams, it feels balanced and comfortable when used folded like a regular phone. Color options include blood white, melting black, sun gold, and the standout Red Rabbit Red. Personally, the Red Rabbit Red version really stands out thanks to its eco-friendly leather back. It features a super nano coating that creates shifting light and shadow effects depending on how the light hits it. The texture feels soft and velvety, almost like a fine fuzz, making it very pleasant to hold. Honor even applied a similar finish to the included case, which is a nice, thoughtful touch. Now let's talk about the displays. The Magic V6 brings brand new panels on both the inside and outside. The 6.52-inch outer screen immediately feels different the moment you touch it. That's because Honor has finally added an anti-reflective coating called the True Black Diamond Screen. Its reflectivity is just 1.5% compared to 2.5% on the iPhone 17 and a much higher 4.2% on typical flagship glass. Interestingly, Honor removed the factory-installed screen protector altogether. Instead, they use a high-precision 5600-layer silicon nitride film process. This coating is actually more durable than the traditional layered approach used by Apple and Samsung. It's rated to handle at least 25,000 wear cycles over 3 years, so there's no need for an extra protective AR film. The result is a clean, flat, and highly transparent display. On top of that, the outer screen uses 3D focus technology, shrinking the bezels down to just 1.18 millimeters. This gives it a wider, more immersive look compared to earlier foldable outer screens. Unfold the device and you're greeted by a 7.95-inch flexible inner display that finally adopts UTG ultra-thin glass. It's paired with a new Luban blunt steel hinge and bridge hinge structure. The crease is now much less noticeable and the screen looks significantly flatter overall. The hinge itself is incredibly strong with a yield strength of up to 2800 mph and the ability to tackle around 145 kilograms of tensile force. On top of that, it comes with IP68 and IP69 ratings, offering water resistance up to 4 meters, which greatly improves durability. Both the inner and outer displays are supplied by BOE and the quality is excellent across the board. The inner screen reaches over 660 nits in manual brightness and nearly 1300 nits globally, while the outer screen goes beyond 800 nits manually and almost 2000 nits globally. Brightness uniformity sits at around 93%, which is right in line with flagship standards. The default color temperature is set at 7200K, slightly warmer and more comfortable for Asian users, with color consistency reaching about 98%. Both screens support 3 display modes and adaptive switching between sRGB and P3 color gamuts. The color accuracy is especially impressive in standard mode with a delta DLE of around 1.0, and the consistency between inner and outer displays is excellent. For eye comfort, Honor includes Oasis eye protection. Testing shows that the blue light peak is around 460 nanometers, avoiding the more harmful range. It also supports 4320Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and even at very low brightness levels like 5 nits, flicker remains minimal, with SVM staying below 1. Another highlight is the debut of ADR display technology. This allows SDR videos to be enhanced to near HDR levels, making content look more vivid and lifelike, especially on that large inner screen. And while many foldable phones compromised on cameras last year, the Magic V5 didn't follow that trend. This year, the Honor Magic V6 continues to build on what foldable cameras should do best. It sticks with a proven triple camera setup that includes a wide-angle main lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a 3x periscope telephoto. This combination gives you flexibility for pretty much everything, from distant shots to close-ups and even macro photography. The main camera is a 50 megapixel wide-angle sensor with a 1.56-inch size and a 23mm equivalent focal length. In everyday daylight conditions, it performs exactly as you'd expect from a flagship: sharp, detailed, and reliable. Even in low-light situations, it holds up well, delivering balanced contrast and natural light rendering without over-processing. Then there's the 70mm 3x periscope telephoto lens, which I personally found very impressive. It uses a large 1.2-inch sensor and comes with CP 6.5G image stabilization. What's even more interesting is how slim the camera module remains, which really shows how advanced the internal design and stacking are. Looking at the photos, the telephoto keeps a consistent style with the main camera. Whether it's day or night, the results are solid, with colors that look vibrant and lively, but not overdone. And yes, it supports macro shots too, so if you've got an eye for detail, you can capture some really satisfying close-up images. The ultra-wide camera also does a good job for everyday shooting, especially for cityscapes and nature shots. And here's something cool: when you unfold the phone and use the inner display to take photos, the outer screen can act as a live preview. On top of that, AI helps guide composition and even suggests poses, which makes group photos or outdoor shoots much easier and way less stressful. You already know how useful that can be. The Gallery app also introduces a new AI color matching feature for video editing. It works just like photo color matching. Pick a style you like, tap a few times, and the AI handles the color grading for your video. It's simple, quick, and makes video editing much more accessible. Overall, when you look at both the hardware and the image results, the Magic V6's triple camera system easily ranks among the best you can get on a foldable right now. Now let's talk performance. The Magic V6 has another big highlight. It's the first and possibly the only foldable phone equipped with the full-power Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5. This chip doesn't really need much introduction. It's currently one of the most powerful processors available on Android. In gaming tests, the results speak for themselves. Playing Honor of Kings at max settings with high frame rates, both the inner and outer screens maintain a stable 120 FPS with smooth performance. When gaming on the outer screen in folded mode, power consumption stays around 3.1 watts, and the phone only gets slightly warm. When you unfold the device, the larger and higher resolution screen naturally puts more pressure on the GPU. Even then, the Magic V6 performs impressively. Power consumption only rises to about 3.6 watts, and temperatures stay under 40 degrees Celsius, which is excellent for a foldable. Even with demanding titles like Genshin Impact, the performance holds up well. On the outer screen, it runs close to 60 FPS for 30 minutes straight, with stable performance and temperatures under 45 degrees Celsius. On the inner screen, the load increases significantly, so while it doesn't fully lock at max frame rate, the performance remains smooth without noticeable stuttering or sudden drops. Considering the limited internal space of foldables, this is actually very impressive. Beyond gaming, Honor has also optimized system performance using its Total War Vulkan graphics engine. This helps improve multitasking efficiency and reduces unnecessary hardware load. Combined with the self-developed E2 energy-efficient chip and that large battery, you get better battery life even under heavy usage. On the software side, the Magic V6 offers a refined foldable experience, including seamless transitions between screens. It also introduces the upgraded UU AI assistant, which can help manage meetings, create summaries, set reminders, and handle tasks before, during, and after your work sessions, making it a useful productivity tool. There's also a unique feature for stock traders. The Android-exclusive stock app supports dual split-screen mode, allowing you to view a full chart on one side or monitor two stocks at once. Currently, it works with apps like Genshin, and Dazin, and support for more platforms like Shuiqiu and Win Financial Terminal is expected soon. Now coming to charging, the Magic V6 supports 80-watt wired and 66 watts wireless fast charging. Taking the top-end 7150 mAh 1 TB version as an example, in folded mode, it charges from 1% to 28% in just 15 minutes, crosses 50% shortly after, and reaches full charge in about 55 minutes. When unfolded, cooling improves and charging becomes even faster. In real-world tests, it hits 60% in 25 minutes and fully charges in just 48 minutes, which is right in line with current flagship standards. The included 120-watt GAN charger is also widely compatible with other devices, including phones, laptops, and tablets from different brands. So if you travel a lot, carrying just one charger is enough for everything. As one of the first foldable launches of the year, the Magic V6 really raises the bar. It makes significant progress in three key areas: battery life, slim design, and durability, while also improving display quality, camera performance, and overall system experience. With features like the self-developed C1 communication chip, massive 1 TB storage option, and Beidou satellite messaging, it delivers a near-complete flagship experience with hardly any weak points. On top of that, it breaks ecosystem barriers by working smoothly with Apple, Huawei, and other Android devices, while also integrating well with Mac and Windows systems. The base variant of the Honor Magic V6 starts at 8,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 973 pounds in the UK and about $1,309 in the US. Honestly, this feels like a complete package for a foldable. The Magic V6 sets a benchmark that other large foldables will have to match, not just now, but likely throughout 2026 as well. And with that, if this video helped you understand the Magic V6 better, that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.